many people want to help, but they just don't know how. And we appreciate everybody's help, but at the same time, we are still in a search and rescue operation, and we want to make sure that we don't necessarily flood the areas, right? So many people do want to help, but we want to make sure our first responders and our officials get everything taken care of. So kind of, I guess my best advice would be stand by, and we'll definitely announce our needs over the coming days.
As Hoosiers work to recover from the storms, we are seeing many people doing what they can to help. The city of Sullivan saying it is overwhelmed by the support it's seeing today. There is a community fund set up there to offer financial help to storm victims. In Whiteland, police say they actually ran out of room to house any donations. They say they will update when more are needed. The department calls it a testament to the spirit of the community to take care of each other. And same story at the new Whiteland Fire Department. They're no longer taking donations there, but take a look. A room full came in already. Everything from food, bottled water, diapers, blankets, even toys to help people in need. There are a lot of ways that you can help right now. You can donate cash at redcross.org or helpsalvationarmy.org. You can also donate through Kroger's Disaster Relief Fund. Just tell your cashier during checkout at the grocery store. And then remember, if you need to report any storm damage or get an assessment for your home, call 211 or visit the Indiana 211 website. We also have all of this information for you, including ways to help, on WTHR.com. And we know even during disaster, especially during disaster, Hoosiers help each other.
Absolutely. And we know that the National Weather Service is going to be back out, at least going to Morgan and Monroe County, perhaps a few other counties that have been hard hit by these storms and will likely need more donations for all of central Indiana with the damaging winds that we had.